I got it hubbled into the dropship. Look!
Reloading!
Can I keep him, please? Huh? Can I keep him? Ow! Can I keep him? Oh no!
Oh no, somebody stop! Oh, I can't die!
No!
Some comrades are like, traitor!
No!
He's lost the will to live.
Yeah, the convoy has a cannon on
Yeah,
top of it.
somebody's gotta, yes.
We're lifted. Oh shit, more
got
devastators. Damn.
Joining the field!
Oh, fuck.
I got one down. Ugh.
Tops.
Alpha mark! Clear the area! Dropping oil.
No! Oh, he lived!
Yes.
Out of ammo!
Can I have a resupply, Frosty?
Oh!
Oh shit, what was
Wow.
that?
I have a question for God. Why? God! God! Just take me!
Oh shit, don't land near the road.
Please hit.
I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky.
That robot that throws down the flare. Bitch move.
Oh, what
Who
happened?
did that?
Why would you do that?
Oh no, somebody, oh shit. somebody said
Just
oh,
hide,
no.
just hide. He hit my bomb. Oh, number 2.
I'm like, what was that?
Oh, number 2.
To be fair, I don't think we ever told him that happened.
It says arm bomb. What else could it possibly mean? Arm bomb. What the fuck do you think that means? It's gonna get him a grilled cheese fucking sandwich? For fuck's sake. Was that supposed to kill me?
Motherfucker, are you out of your damn mind?
No! Like it's, do you have like a 4X on your
No. I was just smart enough to bring a sniper rifle in case you did something stupid like this.
50 meters.
Daniel's been made.
It's fine.
Tagging location.
Frosty, go prone. Oh, shit. Oh, I'm going for a swim.
Oh, you're gonna drown. There, hit the turret.
How do you use this?
Where's that missile going?
I don't know.
Oh, God!